Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell dragons in Dragon Adventures. The only way to sell your dragons is by trading them with other players. You'll need to head to the in-game trading hub, which is the central location for all player-to-player exchanges. Here, you can find potential buyers and negotiate a fair price for your dragon, whether it's for coins or other valuable items. Once you're in the trading hub, you'll see many players looking to buy or sell. To begin, approach a player or announce your dragon for trade. Clearly state the dragon's species, its unique traits, and your asking price in coins. Remember, successful trading often involves a bit of friendly negotiation to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. To make profitable trades, understand what makes your dragon valuable. Factors like its level, age, specific colors, and any rare mutations significantly impact its worth. Always research current market prices for similar dragons to ensure your offer is competitive. For a broader reach, you might also explore external trading communities, such as Tradery, to connect with more potential buyers. Before heading to the trading hub, prepare your dragon. A fully grown, well-fed, and bonded dragon is generally more appealing to buyers. Emphasize any unique features, such as legendary colors or rare mutations, to justify a higher price. Remember, successful trading requires patience and clear communication with other players to achieve the best possible outcome for your valuable dragons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.